What's going on, guys? You're watching the Road to Pro TV, and today we're going to be talking about flipping and pitching, and my top five baits I love to use, and a few tips and tricks. First thing I love to flip, you need is a beaver bait. It's just like a little creature bait. It's real compact, gets in and out of cover really well. But anyways, the next is anything finesse. You know, for those tough days, like I said, in the deep water, offshore fishing, you need something finesse. You need from top of the water column to the bottom, and finesse plays a role in everything. So just a little stick bait, you can pitch it in there. It's real finesse for tough days. And also for the tough days, or when you need the bait to stay in the strike going the longest, is a wacky rig Senko or a straight rig Senko. And basically it's just a stick bait weightless rig, and it'll fall real slow right in front of the fish's face. And my favorite is probably the flipping jig. I mean, you can I like using 1/2 or 3/8 so I can fish it a lot faster around the cover more water. And my last and one of my favorites is crawl. I like the ones with the little paddle tails on the end of them. Is turbo crawls. They put out a lot of water. You can swim them. They're so versatile throughout the water column. But anyways, a few tips. Get a rod. When you're flipping and pitching, get a rod that fits you. I'm a fairly short guy, so I use a 6/8 pitching stick, so you can get a lot more accurate. And also learn how to lay your bait softly into an area. That helps a lot. You get a lot more strikes that way. And also when you're on your trolling motor, try and kick your trolling motor down a little bit, because when you're in shallow water, the fish are used to hearing the trolling motor, or maybe turn your depth finder off so you don't hear the click, click, click. But as far as anything else, just accuracy is one thing, and knowing what your bites feel like. You gotta know what a stump is and what a fish is. So, but that's all I got on flipping and pitching. Is a very basic technique, but I'll catch y'all next time on the Road to Pro TV.